In leaps and bounds, and even if you run out of paint, you can still art attack. Isn't it annoying when you come to paint a picture and you've run out of certain colours? Still, if you've got some colours left, you can still paint a picture, I say. So okay, let's see what I've got left in my old paint box. Well, there's blue, and there's blue, and oh, blue it is then. So okay, what can I paint in blue on white paper? There it is, blue on white. Blue on white, blue on white, blue on white. Let's think. I know. Now come on, blue. It's just me and you. So I'm relying on you. Good luck, blue. Here we go. Now, I think just start with a wash of blue at the top of the page. Just start to pick out some shapes. And a little bit more paint. And make it less of a wash. And a bit more for some shading. Now, just using blue like this gives a real cold feel to your picture. Just pick out a few more shapes. Any idea what it's going to be? And a few more bits of brown around here. A bit more blue, and add in some more shading. And some fur. Any ideas? And some claws. Surely you've got it now. Just with the tip of my brush, some darkish blue, just add in some fine detail on the face. And the nose. There's a mouth. And some final bits of shading just down the side of the face. And there it is. Not bad for just one colour, eh? Good old blue. He won't say anything. He's shy. Try it yourself. Even if you've only got one colour left, think how you can best use it with your white paper and create a picture, even when you've run out of most of your paints.